Hello boys and girls. Welcome to Storytime with Auntie Stacey. I'm Auntie Stacey. I'm so glad you came to read with me. The story I'm going to read for you today is called A House for Mouse. Mouse was looking for a new house. This looks like a nice house. Mouse goes inside and looks for a place to sleep. "You can come and sleep with me," said a puppy. "Thank you," said Mouse. That night, Mouse's dreams were bouncy and muddy. "You can come and sleep with me," said a parrot. "Thank you," said Mouse. That night, Mouse's dreams were noisy and wild. "You can come and sleep with me," said a fish. "Thank you," said Mouse. That night, Mouse's dreams were cold and wet. Mouse needed somewhere warm and dry to sleep. He sat in front of the fireplace and warmed himself. Mouse then climbed up onto a bookshelf nearby. That night, Mouse had warm and cozy dreams in his new house. This is the end of the story. What was your favorite part of the story? If you enjoyed the story, ask a grown-up to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all of your cousins and friends. See you next time.